What is Notion and how do you use it? In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on it. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Notion. So Notion is an all-in-one productivity app that lets you create notes, manage tasks, and organize your projects. Think of it like a supercharged notebook or a customizable workspace. To get started, you need to actually create a Notion account. So I think I made a video about how you can be able to do that. So go watch the video. Then you can be able to create a new page or choose templates depending on your option. So there's a lot of templates here. So you need to start adding content, that is text, images, tags, and all of it. Then you need to organize your pages, database, and all of it. So this is it. So there are some key things you need to know or you can do with Notion. You can be able to take notes and organize them. You can be able to manage tasks and projects. You can be able to create database for tracking info. You can be able to plan events or calendar. You can be able to collaborate with others if you want. So I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you all in the very next video.